What's up YouTube? Today we are going over how to find volume. If you haven't seen my previous video on area, you have to click on this video here now, or all of this is just going to be absolutely baffling. Okay, volume's quite easy because it's actually really similar to area. Area is a measure of how big a 2D shape is, how much space is needed to fill a 2D shape. Well, volume is the same but for 3D shapes. How much space does this fill? This is another 3D shape. This is bigger than this one, which means that this has a bigger volume than this. To find volume, it's actually quite easy. It's 3 words, and that's area times depth. Area times depth. It's area times depth. It's area times depth. Well, the area here is 10 centimeters squared. We can't find the volume of this because it's a 2D shape. If I add these lines, however, good as new, that is now a cuboid. It's a 3D shape, so we can find the volume. The depth are the lines that make it 3D. I always imagine that any 3D shape is just a button. So if you press the button, the depth is the thing that would go in. The depth, those diagonal lines that make your shape go from flat to popping off the page. So if you can see lines that make your shape pop, then it's depth. So how do we find volume again? What was it? It was area times depth. It's area times depth. So here the area, 10 centimeters squared, times the depth, times 3 centimeters. A flat line is centimeters. Area, centimeters squared. Volume, going to be centimeters cubed. 10 times 3, 30 centimeters cubed. Area times depth. This one here, what's the area of this triangle? 15 centimeters squared. What's the depth of this 3D shape? 4. So how do we find the volume? 15 centimeters squared times 4 centimeters equals 60 centimeters cubed. That 4 is the thing that makes this triangle pop. So that's how you find volume. This one here, if you have seen my previous video on area, I really hope you're not going to fall for this trick, because this is a trick they always like to play in exams. Check the units, make the units the same, and then solve it. 100 centimeters, 400 centimeters, 1 meter, not on. They shouldn't be playing tricks like that on you, but they do. 100 centimeters, 400 centimeters, 1 meter. Let's make them all the same. I'm going to make 100 centimeters, 1 meter. 400 centimeters, 4 meters. 1 meter is 1 meter. Well, where's our area? We need to find it now. So we're going to find the area of the front face. 1 times 4. 4 meters squared. And then to find volume, 4 times 1. It's area times depth. 4 meters squared. 4 meters cubed. Okay, so to find volume, it's area times depth. You should be able to find area. And then the depth is the line that makes it pop off the page. It's the diagonal line that makes your shape 3D. And then you just have to do area times depth. That's how you find volume of prisms. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.